Okay, so we have come back to our design. I observed that when I was trying to explain that you have to take out the background of the photo, that my voice was not audible. So what I was trying to say is that once you download your photo from either Pixel or any of the platforms I'm going to share with you, you have to go to sleza.com to take out the background. Once you take out the background, taking out the background helps to give your design a kind of touch, because once the background is there, it's going to kind of disrupt the color and everything, the color combination, everything concerning your design, and it will be nice. Taking out the background goes a long way to help your design to come out neat and fine. So we are done with that and we have come back to this place. But I want to show us two ways that we can create this flyer. So I'm going to click here, click on this plus sign. So I have two designs now. So we're working on the two. But before we continue with the former one we are working on, let me just quickly come to this place. Double click on it. Then what I want to create a different, like I want to use a different format for this one. So you can decide the one that you prefer and the one you want to create for yourself. So what I'll do is that I'll click on my plus sign. I already have all my materials. I'll click on the plus sign. I'll go to upload. Going to upload. Once you click on upload, I already have some things in my images in Canva. But since you're a first timer, you just click on upload files. You click on upload files, then you can see every other thing you're looking for. Like this the image that we downloaded and the rest. So I'll go back. I'll take this. This is a makeup material too. So it's going to be a nice combination, nice combo for the design I'm doing. So just watch what I'm doing and learn something different. Okay, this is it. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to search for transparency. This is transparency. I'll click on it. Then I'll take this thing to 10. Take it to 10. So it should be, look at it. Or let me just probably show you how it is. Look at it's on 100. Just keep dragging it down till going in. Keep dragging it down. Keep dragging it down. This is 10. This is 10. Then the next thing I'll do is take it out. Go to my plus sign. Go to elements. Then find my circle. For under shape, this circle. Then okay. The next thing is to put my frame. This is still the circle frame. Okay. Drag it. Just take your time so you get exactly what you're looking for. Okay, let me just leave it like this. Then let's go back. So okay, these are the two designs now. So let's continue from where we stopped. Then I'll click on this plus sign again to get the image that we downloaded. Click on upload. I'm sorry, I already have it in my phone, but for you, you have to click on upload files so you can go to your gallery to find it. So let me go back. So I'll click here. Once you click on upload file, you go to your gallery and click on it. It will download in your image, in your Canva image. So I'll just click on it. So I already have it here. So what I'll do is that I'll drag it into this frame. Look at, I'll drag it into this frame for me to get this. Look at. Then for the other design too. Okay, I want to do something. Let me delete this. Delete image. Input only the frame. I'll put only the frame for this design. Okay. Okay. The next thing, I'll take this plus sign. I'll go to upload. I'll bring in my photo. Okay. Then you have something like this. Okay. Let me still go back. Let me go back to the image. So the next thing, I'll click on this plus sign. I'll go to text. So you can add text to our design. You can add a heading. Then you drag it down. Then you write make up. Make up. On it, go to your font. We have different fonts that you can use. You can just play around with your font to get the one that you prefer. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. And the rest. Okay. Well, for the purpose of this, I prefer this gangaline. Then I have to go back, go to your font size. This is the highest. But I still have to increase it.